Hello and warming welcome to my video tutorial. In today, gonna show you how you can get free unlimited money on Cashroad app without paying anything.
And always hesitating, kryptonite desires set my heart afire.
Firstly, just come out to Safari on iOS or Google Chrome for Android, then type iUp.vip.
Here is important step. You need to download 2 free apps and open those apps for 30 seconds to verify that you're human, not a robot. Let's follow this example. After you download and open those apps, just close these apps and go back to check your result.
Congratulations! Now you get unlimited money on your Cashroad account. But don't forget to watch and follow the final step video tutorial to unlock your resources. I hope you guys happy with this video tutorial. Have fun, guys! Good luck, and I see you in the next video. Bye!